How to trim audio in Edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim audio. First of all, open the application. Now in your home page, you must be in this project section. So you can create a new project or open the older ones that has music. So here I'm tapping on one. So as you can see, I'm in this editing interface. Here you can see the option of editing and there are several tools also. Now in order to trim or edit this audio, here simply tap on the audio first. Now as you can see, there are different tools available, so you can even directly select and choose the part that you want to keep. And the other option is by tapping on this split button here on the bottom. Simply tap on split and you'll be able to cut the certain part too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.